introduction to algebra. So we are just going to see the basics and some patterns in this second chapter, that is algebra. See, the objectives, learning objectives, what we are going to learn in this chapter. The first thing is predictions related to repeated patterns. For example, see here, the first pattern we have used one square and one triangle. See, what will be the second pattern? See, we have used two squares and two triangles. And what will be the third pattern? We will be using three squares and three triangles. So as it goes on, the next pattern will be the the next pattern will be 4, 5, 6. Likewise, it will be moving on. And next is role of variables. Variables is nothing but alphabets A, B, C up to X, Y, and Z. So we will be using alphabets in the place of numbers. And the next thing is use of variables in algebraic expression. It is nothing but, for example, 4a plus 5b plus 2. This is the algebraic expression. So we will be using the alphabets with the numbers. Okay, we will be continuing with the patterns. Fine. So we are going to see about the patterns here. To form the letter M, I am using 4 sticks. So we will be using 4 sticks. See, now I have got the letter M. So for 1 M, number of sticks used is 4. That is n is equal to 4. For 2m, so how many sticks I'll be using? 1, 'See, I have formed the first M. For 2m, I'm using the next 4 sticks. See, the second M is ready. So for 2m, number of sticks used for 1m is 4. That is, number is 4. Therefore, for 2m, 2 times of n, that is equal to 2 into 4 is 8 sticks. So on the pattern goes. See, for 3m, 3 times of n. So 3 into 4. For 3m, we will be using 12 sticks. For 4m, 4 into n, that is equal to 4 times of 4. So 16 sticks we will be using. For 5m, 5 into n, that is 5 times of 4. It is 20. So on it will be moving for the pattern. Okay, we'll go for the next topic. Okay, now we are continuing with the next pattern. See here, we have a square and we have 3 circles. For the first picture, how many squares is used? 1 square is used. And how many circles are there? 1, 2 and 3. So for the first pattern, I have used 1 square and 3 circles. This is going to be the second pattern. For the second pattern, how many squares are used? 1, 2. So 2 squares and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 circles are used. For the third pattern, how many squares are used? 1, 2 and 3. So we are using 3 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 circles are used. So what will be the next pattern? I am going to draw it here. 1 square, 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 circles are used. So what will be the next pattern? One more square. 1, 2 and 3. See? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 circles are used. Now we are going to complete the other patterns. Okay. We'll just go with the try these sums. Okay. Which is in page number 41. So page number 41, I'm just going to try these sums. See this. Observe the following pattern and complete them. So what is the first question given? 5, 8, 11, 14. So we have to go with the next numbers. See, 5 is a odd number, 8 is a even number, and 5 is again 11 is again a odd number, and 14 is a even number. So there is no relationship for these 4 numbers. What we should do? We should find the relationship between these 2 numbers first. Okay. See, which is the bigger number here? It is 8. 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? It is 3. We'll see the relationship between 8 and 11. What is the bigger number here? Again, it is 11 minus the smaller number 8. So, 11 minus 8 is again 3. We'll check with the other 2 number also. What is the bigger number? It's 14. Smaller number is 11. So, 14 minus 11 is 13. So, adding 3 to the next number, the pattern is getting complete. So, what will be the next number? 14 plus 3. It is 17. The next pattern. 17 plus 3. It's 20. And what is the next one? 20 plus 3. It is 23. So what will be the next pattern? 26. Next 29. Next 32 and so on. See the next question. If 15,873 multiplied by 7, it gives the answer this. And 15,873 into 14, it is giving this answer. Then what is 15,873 multiplied by 21? And the same number multiplied by 28. So what will be the answers? We'll find it now. 15,873 into 7, it is 111,111. And 15,873 into 14, it is 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. And what we are going to find is 15,873 into 21. So 15,873 into 21. 8. So these two we are going to find it. So we'll go with the multiplication. 873 into 21. First we'll go with 1. 1 3s are 1. 1 7s are 1. 1 8s are 1. 1 5s are 1. And 1 1 is 1. 3 2s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 it is 17. Then 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Again 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now I have to add this. 3. 13. Again 13. Again 13. 3 and 3. See the pattern here. 3 3 3. 3 3 and 3. The next one. 15873 multiplied by 28. 8 3s are 24. 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2 is 58. 5. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 1 plus 5 is 69. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Then multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. Again 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 4. 8 plus 16 is again it's 14. 1. 14. 14. 4 and 4. 4 4 4 4 4 4. See the pattern. Multiplied by 7, the answer is this. Multiplied by 14, the answer is this. Multiplied by 21, the answer is this. And 28, the answer is this. What is the relationship here? See, 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21 and 7 4s are 28. So what will be the next pattern? 15873 into 7 5s are 35. Now we are going to find the answer and tell me. Okay. Next topic is going to be framing statements. See, we have two types of statement. The first one is verbal statement and the second one is algebraic statement. So with the name itself we can find. So what in algebraic statement we will be using the variables. So variables nothing but A, B, C. The alphabet still X, Y and Z. Well, coming to verbal statements, we will be using the words. For example, instead of the symbols plus, minus or multiply or division symbols, we will be using the words. Add, minus, then multiply, divide. Likewise, we will be using the words. So, we'll see some of the examples now. First, we'll go with converting algebraic into verbal. See the first example, m plus 14. So what is done here? M plus 14. So 14 is added to m. So we can write as 14 is added to m. Or you can write in a simpler way. Or you can write it as m plus 14. Likewise also you can write. See the second one, x minus 6. So So what you are going to write it here? 6 is subtracted from x. In simpler way, we can write it as x minus 6. The next one, 3y. So 3y is nothing but 3 into y. So 3 is multiplied by y. One more will go with division. 5 divided by z. So 5 is divided by z. One more example we'll see. See, 2p minus 7. So what is this? We'll go with this one first. 2 times of p minus 7. So what we will be writing here? 2 times of p is subtracted by 7. We can write it like this. So this times we will be using in case of two operations together. See here, we are having two operations. We have subtraction as well as multiplication. Whenever we get two operations like this, we will be using times. We need not use it here. See, only one operation is here. So we can just write it as 3 is multiplied by y. So this is the major difference between this and this, because we have two types of operation, but here we have only one operation. Okay. Next we'll go with the vice versa of this. Okay, we saw converting algebraic expression into verbal. Now we'll go with the converting verbal into algebraic. One example. Some examples we'll see here. See, x is increased by 21. What is meant by increased? Increased means addition. So, x is increased by 21. X plus 21. So, the next one, see, twice p. What is meant by twice p? 2 times of p. So, we can write it as 2p or 2 into p. See the next one. The product of 7 and y is divided by 2. See, we have given two operation, product that is multiplication, divided that is division. So what I said, 2 times we have to use. So 7 product of y is 7 into y divided by 2. Either you can write it like this or 7y divided by 2. Then the same way we can write it like this, 7y by 2. So we can write it in 3 form. 7 into y divided by 2, 7y divided by 2 or 7y by 2. We can write it in 3 forms. So the next one, I'll go with the another example here. See, 10 divided by m. So 10 is divided by m. This is very simple. So fine. So we have seen what is statement and we have seen what is algebraic expressions, what is verbal statement. Then we saw about the patterns in this topic. Okay, so I'll go with the assignments or homework sums. So you'll be doing it. Okay, students. So hope you have understood the patterns and algebraic expressions. Now it's classwork, writing in classwork. You have to use 120 pages maths rule notebook, and classwork. What you have to do is whatever we have discussed in our video, that is solving the problems and pattern, everything you have to copy it in your classwork. So all the sums you have to work on. See, in page number 41 and 46 the questions are given, and you can copy, write it neatly and submit it on Monday.